In this video, I'll teach you how to earn $6 by simply drawing lines and painting lines on top of images in less than 30 seconds. And I'll show you a lot of proof, different examples, and bonus tips. I want to show you that individuals from all around the world are generating real money with this method, as you can see here with $60 and $20 again and again. There are so many others doing it right now. However, if you do not watch the entire video until the end, you may not fully understand the entire strategy and may ultimately fail to make any money, which is something I don't want to happen. So you must watch to the end to receive all the specifics, a real-life example, and a bonus tip to make even more money faster. I've shown you a couple of websites in this video, the first of which is peopleperhour.com. I know some of you have heard of this website before, but trust me when I say this, it is something new that no one else is talking about. Now all you have to do is click on the search button and then search offers. And you'll be taken to this page where you can enter a keyword. For example, background removal. And then click on the search button. And you'll be able to find various background removal services given by other people. There are so many individuals selling similar services from all around the world. And that's precisely the technique that I'll be showing you in this video. The concept here is fairly simple. There are a lot of people who want to remove the background from specific images. For example, some of these photos, and they don't know precisely how to do it. So they go to peopleperhour.com and pay different freelancers to do it for them. For instance, in this case, they are attempting to change the background of this image from this one to this one. And another example can be seen right here. It is quite simple if you have the appropriate tool. You can simply draw lines on top of the photos and they'll automatically help you remove all of the background. And every time you do this, you can earn $5 and you don't need any graphic design or technical skills. It's very simple, just drawing a few lines and you can get it done in less than 30 seconds. I'll show you many examples and walk you through exactly how to do this. If I click on this person right here, it will lead me to a page where they will show me a service that will assist people to remove the background of their photos. As you can see, they're receiving real clients and people giving reviews right on top of their project, which means they're generating money right here on peopleperhour.com, and they can simply make $50 over and over by removing the background of the photo. People are charging various amounts of money right here on this website. Some are charging $15, $20, and even up to $60. If you're a total beginner, you should set your pricing somewhat lower to attract more consumers. Consider how much money you might make from just one customer and one photo. You can get $5. If you can get 10 customers, that's $50. And I just want you to consider this. If you can earn $5 from just one photo, what if you can do 20 photos? That's $100. And if you do 50 photos, that's $250. That'll take you about 30 seconds or less to complete, and it's one of the finest ways to make money online right now. And in just a minute, I'll guide you through several examples and different software to perform this basic background removal service using free software and a free tool. I'll also provide you with a second bonus website where you may make extra money by simply removing images backgrounds. So now let me show you the second bonus website where you may earn $9 per hour and start earning $40 by simply deleting the background of photographs. Like this guy right here earning $30. There are individuals from all over the world, like this guy from Bangladesh, and right here in Ukraine, Romania, and others from all over the world, including the Philippines, Nigeria, the United States, and the United Kingdom. The website's name is guru.com. And you can just search for background removal to find other freelancers who are doing the same thing by providing background removal services. This is a secondary source of revenue that you can develop on Guru.com, in addition to the money you can make on peopleperhour.com. They're going to pay you with cash every day. So before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now for the magic. We'll need a free tool and software to remove the background. And I'd want you to go to clippingmagic.com. They can magically remove the image background automatically using very high-tech AI technology, and it's completely free. There is no investment required, and all you have to do is drag your image right here on top, or click this to upload an image, and you can do it on your phone or computer. This software will automatically remove the background from this right here and replace it with a transparent background. All you have to do now is click on this button to upload image and select the image that you want to upload. For example, if I click on this Girl Model 2, once it has done loading, they will present this page as shown above, and you can do this on your phone as well. The first step is to click on the green button. The green button indicates that you must draw lines on top of the photos on the section that we want to keep. Now for example, if you want to keep this female model right here in the middle, all you have to do is draw green lines on top of the photograph like this. Let's set the timer for 30 seconds again. And as you can see, I'll simply create simple lines right here on top. It's very simple to cover the whole photo on the portion that we want to keep. Once we've finished making the green lines, we'll simply click on the red button and create the red lines on top of the background that we want to delete. As you can see, I simply drew it around in the background in less than 30 seconds for free and easily. And that's all there is to it. From just one single photo like this, you can easily charge $5. And the original photos on the left will immediately go on and become a transparent background. Once you've completed that, simply click the download option to save this to your phone or computer, where you can then email it to your customer or clients on PeoplePerHour or Guru.com. Let me show you another example using a coffee cup to demonstrate how simple it is. Let's use another example and set the timer to 30 seconds. All we have to do now is click on the green button and draw it around the coffee cup that we want to keep. Simply draw it around the entire image to let the AI technology know that this is what we want to keep. Now you're just free drawing around the entire image. And once we've finished with the green color, we can click on the red line and draw it around the background that we want to delete. As you can see, I've drawn it on all of the corners merely to remove the full background, and they'll automatically assist you on doing so. Simply click the download button and save it to your phone or computer, and that's how individuals from all over the world make real money by removing backgrounds. If you want something even better, click here and I'll show you another free software that's far better than Clipping Magic. Now you can go to remove.bg, which helps you remove the image background 100% automatically and for free. With just one click of a button, they can change the background of the photos with different scenes at the back. It's very simple to use this free software because you can remove the background 100% automatically in 5 seconds with 0 clicks. To demonstrate how powerful this is, all you have to do is click on this upload image and then select the image that you want to remove. For example, this coffee mug right here. We'll simply have to wait a few seconds for the loading to complete, and then we'll be able to remove the background of this photo with literally just one click of the upload button. We don't even have to draw any lines on the images on the second website, and they'll help us remove the background automatically. And you can just download this or even download a high-quality photo by clicking on this button and saving it on your computer or phone. So this is another alternative website and software that you can use, and I highly recommend it because it's much better than Clipping Magic. With Clipping Magic, you have to draw different lines on top of the images, just like what I showed you. Whereas with remove.bg, you just have to upload the photos and that's it. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.